A family in Spanish Town, St. Catherine is struggling to cope without a father and a son who have been missing for almost 3 weeks. The top-level police investigation now spans 3 different police divisions. Jamaica Maitland explains.
What was supposed to be a regular workday for 48-year-old Tyburn Harris and his 17-year-old son, Tishawn Harris, has turned into a nightmare for his family, as the duo did not return home. They were last seen on February 24 on their way to Kingston, where Mr. Harris worked as a contractor, making, fixing and installing windows for clients. But since that morning,
all efforts to make contact has been futile.
His partner became concerned after several failed routine check-ins. The family then alerted the police. Residents of Shelter Rock in Spanish Town refer to Mr. Harris as the window man, who was always helping the youth.
You look at his status and you know who he is. He's a hard-working person who shows everything he does he's proud of. It doesn't matter how small a job is that he has done. Once you look at his status, you know that he's proud of the work he's done.
What, mate, now?
His son recently joined him in the business, and like any proud father, he boasted about his work.
Alright, shut it.
In an emotional plea, his mother, 79-year-old Janet Harris, begged for their safe return.
Wherever they are, I'm begging and pleading for anyone knowing their whereabouts, please bring them back. They have parents also, so think about themselves.
TVJ News understands that Mr. Harris's car was found in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. Head of the Kingston Eastern Police, Superintendent Michelle Campbell, directed us to the St. Catherine North Police, who are leading the investigation.
On February 26, the motor car was discovered abandoned in the Bull Bay area of Kingston East. It was searched and subsequently taken to the police station where it was processed for DNA.
Senior Superintendent Hopton Nicholson says after several searches, they have not been able to find the father and son.
The investigation took police officers to a heavily vegetated area in the Bull Bay area. And it is not easy to maneuver. But we have done as much as we could. We conduct several searches. We have received information of 2 locations in the St. Catherine South. We collaborated with our colleagues in St. Catherine South.
It's why the family is appealing for assistance, this time from the public. They're praying for the best, but bracing for the worst. Above all, they want closure.
Never in a million years would I imagine that my family would be going through something like this. And I feel like if it was tears alone, I could bring them back. They would be here because I can't sleep at night. I try to sleep and I wake up crying because I become so overwhelmed with emotions taking over, because I don't know where my brother and my nephew are, because I feel like if the rain falls, they're getting wet, and you know, where are they? Are they feeling any? I don't know. Are they alive? Are they dead? We just need to know.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.